Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you my go-to recipe for one of my Trader Joe's favorite grabs. This is the sweet potato ribbons. I personally like to make sort of like a breakfast hash. So I'm going to do it with sausage and eggs. This is vegetarian sausage. If you're paleo, you could do a paleo sausage. I like to use the ghee from Trader Joe's. It has a really high smoke point, so it doesn't like burn when you're cooking. And just a little bit gives a nice buttery flavor. I use a non-stick pan. The one I use is green pan. It's ceramic, so it's like a non-toxic coating, but I'm just weird like that. But it's good to have a well-fitted glass lid. I'll be adding some eggs, and I like to put syrup over the whole thing. It also comes out great with black beans, soy chorizo, topped with avocado, maybe some cilantro, some salsa. It's really good. If you want to see that, let me know in the comments. The sausage is field roast, and I just get it at the regular grocery store. It's really the best vegetarian sausage link I've ever had. I have some that I need to use up, so we're going to use that today. First, I heat up the pan with the ghee in it. Then I lightly brown the sweet potatoes. Once they're brown, I add water. Let the water cook off. After that's done, I add the sausage and brown that. Then I move it all over to the side, add a little more oil, and then cook the eggs. And put on the lid and let it finish cooking. And it's all ready to eat. If you enjoyed this video, click subscribe below. See you soon. If there's something else you'd like to see me make, please let me know in the comments. For any fellow YouTubers who are wondering if I have a big fancy setup for shooting aerially, I have a tiny little Gorilla Pod. Right here is my stove, and I can just open the cabinet and hang it from here. So that's all I do.